In this video, we are going to understand about the truncate. Now, what is the difference between we have learned about in our previous video delete? We have also learned about drop, and then now we are talking about truncate. So you must be getting confused with what's going on. Deleting means deleting the data. Dropping means removing that object from the database. Okay. Now, what is truncate? So truncate, the name itself is saying something you want the fast way that delete the entire table data with minimum effort. Suppose it has a 1 million, maybe 2.5 million and more than that. And when you perform a delete operation, delete from table name, in that case, your action, the command which you have written, that actually perform a row by row operation. It might take some time, but when you say truncate, it actually works faster, much faster. So you can use truncate. There are some other benefits to use truncate, which we will learn once we'll also see the identity column, how identity column is being used, and then what's the use. And then when we apply truncate, it will also reset the identity column. We'll learn when we talk about it when we learn identity. Let's see furthermore. So the syntax goes truncate table name. We can truncate multiple tables together. Truncate table 1, comma table 2, table 3. Now, suppose in case we wanted to truncate with a child table, but first we have to set something. So here there is a problem. You have a parent table data, and then parent data, you know how it is referred to the child table, and that data is being stored into the child table, referred data. Now you wanted to delete parent data. In that case, what happened to the child? Now what child is referring? What rows the child belongs to, what it is referring if there is no parent? So how you can truncate a parent table? So the formula is first alter table name, no check constraint all, means do not check the constraint. Then truncate the parent table, then again alter table child table, check constraint all, means do not, now you can check it, now table is gone, the table data is gone of the parent. So this is a short trick to handle if you are dealing with foreign key and primary key. Okay. So there are many advantages. It's very fast way to remove the large. There are some disadvantage. Ones cannot be used with the where class. Truncate is for the entire table. It's not a row by row operation. It wipes out entire data of a table. Where in case of delete, you can do conditional. Which rows you want to delete, you can specify in the where condition and it will be done. Truncate cannot be rollback. We'll understand when we will learn about transactions. We'll see what is rollback, what can be rollback, what can be commit, we'll understand those things in those sessions. Okay. Now, so here another interesting thing is, I think, so there are a few syntax which I haven't talked about it, which is delete. So delete goes delete from table name where condition, what condition you wanted to give. So you can say delete from customer where customer ID equal to 1. As simple as that. So delete basically perform row by row. What is row by row? It identify each row which is meant to be deleted, and then it deletes the specific row, not the entire table. Where truncate do for all without where condition. Okay. So that there is a few advantages. By removing unnecessary data, definitely you are making a consistency, right? It's a flexible that you are only doing operations on the specific keys, specific values, specific primary key based on deletion. Okay. So there are some disadvantages also. Definitely, if you perform a delete, you will lose some of the data. And you won't be able to recover once it is committed. So there are some few impact. Okay, now let's see drop. Okay, let me see drop. So drop, we already talked about it. Drop is nothing but when you wanted to completely remove the object. So drop table name. You have not seen the procedure, but you can drop any object. Now in our upcoming sessions, we are going to create procedures, views, functions, many other things. So if it is an object, you can drop it. Any object can be dropped using the drop keyword, referring the same syntax. We have to, if you're dropping a table, we have to say drop table. If you're dropping a procedure, we have to say drop procedure. We haven't talked about indexes, which we'll talk later. Okay, so it's also much more efficient in case of you want to drop it, right? Yeah, some of the theoretical part, which you can get it in our blog, in case you are interested to learn more theoretical part of it. Okay, so now in our next session, we are going to talk about functions. Okay, thank you so much for listening to this.